We're going to do a back-to-back video so you can do a comparison of what it sounds like with dirty 6,000 mile oil, which is probably crap oil with a crappy filter, versus some nice synthetic Pennzoil Platinum. So let's see how it does. To see if we can tell any difference. Make sure you check out our other videos. We have a couple other 5-minute tech tips. We're going to have a bunch more. We have the build of this car. We have my brother's 2JZ 240Z build, twin turbo. That thing's going to be a monster. So make sure you check it out. And of course, subscribe. Tell your friends. Comment below. Tell me what you thought. Tell me what I missed. Tell me what I can do better. And until next time, guys, see ya.